Hi, Beard Hub. This is Sweaty Pedals. I know you're on this tutorial. You just heard your own voice, but here's a tutorial for you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit your Windows key and you're going to type CMD and click Run as Administrator and then hit yes, because you are an admin. You have the power, Beard Hub. Don't let it tell you anything different. You're just going to type SFC/scan now, and you're going to hit enter, and then it's going to scan. It says this process will take some time. It should take about a minute or two, and it will let you know if your Windows has any errors caused by running RAM that has errors on it. And if it does, it actually can correct it. As you can see, Beard Hub, if you have errors, Windows Resource Protection will find the corrupted files for you and successfully repair them. These are not real errors. These are just paid actor errors that aren't really on my PC. I'll see you next time.